Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and paying good attention to your studies. My dear students, today's video is related to English, grade 4. In this video, we will cover a very important topic which every time comes in the exams and in tests as well. And that topic is reading comprehension. As it is clear from the name as well, reading. In this type of question in the examination, a passage is given to the students and they have to read it and they have to comprehend it. Comprehend means they have to understand it, and after the passage some question answers are mentioned, and then students have to find out the answers of those questions after reading out that passage. It depends. Sometimes that paragraph or that passage is small and sometimes it has more words. It depends on the difficulty and the level of that paragraph. My dear students, whenever a reading comprehension passage is given, just remember to find out the key words. Now, what are the key words? First of all, tip number 1 is this, that read all the questions carefully and try to underline the words, the main words, the key words which are asked in the question. After reading all the questions, then go to the paragraph and start reading that paragraph. Wherever you find the key words which you have read in the questions, just underline those key words. And with the help of those keywords, it will become quite easier for you to find out the answers of the given questions. Now, my dear students, we will look at this paragraph and we'll try to solve a reading comprehension passage according to this trick, and we'll try to understand how can we solve a reading comprehension. So let's start. All about turtles. Let me do the reading for your better understanding. My dear students, our passage is all about turtles. A turtle is a reptile that has a shell covering its body. Turtles are known for moving very slowly. There are about 250 species or types of turtles. Turtles are found in most parts of the world. Most live in freshwater ponds, lakes, or rivers. Others live in the ocean or on land. Some turtles live in forests or even in the desert. Land turtles are called tortoise, and some water turtles are known as terrapins. My dear students, so this paragraph is about turtles. Turtles are found on different areas of earth. Some turtles live on land and some turtles live in the water. Water turtles also come out on land on various occasions. My dear students, turtles have different shapes and different sizes. My dear students, turtles are given name based on their habitats and on their shapes and sizes. My dear students, turtles are included in the reptiles and their body is covered with a shell which protects turtle and which keeps them safe from any kind of dangers. Now, my dear students, we will read the other half of the paragraph. Turtles are all different sizes. The smallest turtles are less than 4 inches, 10 centimeters long. In contrast, the Atlantic leatherback turtles can be more than 7 feet 2 meters long. It can weigh more than 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Turtles have sturdy legs with short feet and claws on the toes. Sea turtles have flippers instead of front feet. A turtle's shell is made of bone. It is usually very hard and strong. Most turtles can tuck the head, leg, and tail inside the shell for protection from enemies. So my dear students, turtles can be of different sizes. Some turtles are very small and some turtles are very big. And those who are big, they are very heavy as well. And as I earlier mentioned, turtles, their body is covered with a shell which is made up of bone and it is very strong. Turtles can move their head, legs inside the shell, and actually they can hide inside the shell. By doing that, they can keep themselves protected from any kind of dangers. My dear students, now look at this portion of the paragraph. Snapping turtles cannot do this, but they have powerful bite for protection. Turtles eat worms, snails, insects, jellyfish, and shellfish. Many turtles eat only plants. Turtles can store food in the form of fat. Some turtles can store water too. They can live for days or even weeks without having anything to eat or drink. Turtles live longer than most other animals. Some species can live more than 100 years. So my dear students, over here they are telling about different types of turtle and the food that they eat. Turtles, they like to eat worms, snails, insects, jellyfish, and shellfish, because some turtles, they live in the oceans and some they live on the land. And there are many turtles who eat plants, mostly those who live on the land. So this was the passage. My dear students, now look at the questions. And our questions are, how many species of turtles are there? If you will look in the beginning of the passage, our key word is how many species. So the answer which is given there is, there are about 250 species or types of turtle. Our next question number 2 is, where do turtles live? Again, its answer is given in the starting of the comprehension. The answer is, turtles are found in many parts of the world. Most live in freshwater, ponds, lakes, or rivers. Others live in the ocean or on land. Some turtles live in forests or even in the desert. As you can see that the turtles, they are able to live and they are living on most of the areas of the earth. Now my dear students, our next question is, what is the size of smallest turtle? The answer is, the smallest turtles are less than 4 inches, 10 centimeter long. Very small, you can say. Now the next question is, what is turtle's shell made of and what is its use? My dear students, in this question 2 points are asked. First one is that what is turtle's shell made of? Like what is the made? And the second question is that what is the use of the shell? And the answer is, a turtle's shell is made of bone. It is usually very hard and strong. Most turtles can tuck the head, legs, and tail inside the shell for protection from the enemies. So the answer that what are they made of? They are made of bone. And what is their use? It is used for the protection of the turtle. My dear students, our next question is, what do turtles eat? Its answer is given almost at the end of the paragraph. Turtles eat worms, snails, insects, jellyfish, and shellfish. Many turtles eat only plants, which normally live on the land. So my dear students, this was the comprehension. I hope that now you are able to solve it. Just remember to find out the keywords which are given in the questions. underline those keywords in the question and then underline those keywords in the paragraph as well, and then you can easily find out the answer. It will help you to find out the accurate and exact answer, because comprehension, now you can say that I understand what I read. So my dear students, now you are able to solve a passage with the help of this formula, or you can say this trick. Just underline the keywords and after that read a paragraph. Hopefully in the first attempt you will be able to find out the answers, but then if you can read again and again, it will become easier for you to understand and find out the answers. Thank you so much. This is it for today.